Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can get live wallpapers and download them for free on Motorola Edge 15 Ultra. To do so, we need to go to the settings. In these settings, we want to tap personalize. There we go. Now on the left side, choose the current wallpaper. And over here, we need to scroll down and go to dynamic. If you go over here, you'll find the list of dynamic wallpapers or live wallpapers that you can download and set. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one as an example. If you tap on this button, then you will start downloading the wallpaper, and once it is done, you will have it in my wallpapers section. Then you can select the wallpaper, and this is how it looks like. You can just tap this preview over here in order to hide that bottom side, and there we go. Once you are done, and apparently the wallpaper moves slightly when the device is tilted. Maybe just to showcase, I'm gonna use this wallpaper over here, as this seems to be animated. Now you may have noticed that some parts are moving, so some wallpapers are more alive than others, and I'm gonna set this one as an example, and I'm gonna choose home screen and lock screen. There we go. And now, as you can see, we have a live wallpaper, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.